boys and girls, it's Mrs. Ernst here today, and we are going over our Thursday instructions. So these are your assignments for Thursday. All right, so first you're going to listen to the read aloud, which is right here. And if I remember correctly, yes, this is a special read aloud with Stein and Mrs. Ernst. All right, you're going to listen to the read aloud, and then you're going to keep on working on your how-to book. So I said on Tuesday you did this part, so today you're going to do that part, the second part to your instructions. Now remember, I said the first part to give my dog's bath is to trick Stein into the tub. And that is so true. The next part is to get him wet and get him all shampooed up. Okay, so I'd be writing that as my second part. Okay, so that's your writing. After that, you're going to review your word wall song, and then I have an activity for you guys to complete. You have a video to watch, and while you're watching that video, you need to be working with this paper, okay? You're going to be working with this paper during that video. So you're going to need the paper and then watch the video while you're doing it. All right, as for art time, Mo Williams did not have an art video out for us at this time. So what I went ahead and did was I found another artist who she's an art teacher, and she's really funny, and I thought you guys would enjoy her videos. Her name's Cassie Williams, and she's going to be teaching you guys how to draw robots, okay? So we've got this video right here. She's a really funny teacher. I love her outfits. Guys, if you get involved with her or seeing her videos a lot, pay attention to her outfits. They're kind of cool. All right, we have community circle. We're going to listen to a read aloud, and I'm going to be asking you questions during at the end of the read aloud. So make sure that you guys are as a family together and you're listening to the read aloud. Afterwards, you have a Starfall game, which is addition practice. Please remember, we are mixing addition and subtraction together. We want our kiddos to kind of get a mesh in, and so that they know those symbols like heart and can solve those problems. Okay, here's your QR codes, my contact information if you need anything. You guys have a lovely, lovely Thursday. One more thing. There is no read aloud or writing workshop today. I have a doctor's situation I have to go take care of. So there will be no read aloud, no Google Meets, no read aloud on Google Meets, and no writing workshop on Google Meets today, okay? You guys have a great day. Bye!